You are in a planning to make a balcony grill designs and you have little bit of confusion that how much it will cost to make the balcony grill designs and what are the advantages. So friends, in this video I'm going to tell you that how much it will cost for making the balcony grills and what are the advantages of a beautiful designs. So friends, if you like my videos then please subscribe to this channel. So let's continue to the topic. First, let me understand what are the advantages of a balcony grill designs. A balcony grills act as a protective barrier, reducing the risk of accidental falls, and especially for children and pets. Grills also can be customized to match your architectural style, blending with the traditional or contemporary designs. So you'll get lots of materials to make the grills. Like first one is a MS grill designs, steel grill. But in this video, I'm going to discuss about the MS grill designs. So let me take some example to understand how much it will cost for making the balcony grills. Like our balcony grill size we consider as a 3 feet will be height and 10 feet will be width. So the total area of the grills is 10 into 3 30 square feet, and to cover 1 square feet of area minimum 2 to 3 kilos of MS pipes are required. So for 30 square feet the total pipes required of in kgs is 75 kgs, and per kg the price starts from 80 rupees per square feet plus labor charges is 15 to 20 rupees per square feet. So let me assume as a 15 rupees. So the total per kg it will cost labor plus materials it is 95 rupees. So if you will multiply this 95 into 75 kg, the total will come 7125. So this is the way to calculate the iron grill designs price. So there may be a price varies depends on the locations and the designs of the complexity designs. Like if you select higher designs with beautiful modern, so it will also increase the price of labor rates. So friends, grills made from high quality materials like MS pipe are resistant to rust, corrosion and weather damage. Most grill designs require minimal upkeep, ensuring the longevity and the durability. Also, grills can play a double as a supportive structure for hanging clothes, especially in urban homes with limited space. Grills can be paired with additional elements like frosted glass or wooden panels to enhance the privacy while maintaining airflow and light. Installing a grill is a relatively affordable way to ensure safety and style compared to other balcony upgrades like glass enclosures. The grills are available in various materials, patterns and finishes. It totally depends upon your budget and your choice. Like there are multiple options like MS pipes, stainless steels, but there are lots of difference in this both. Like SS steels will cost you higher than this, almost 3 to 4 times higher, and in MS pipes you will get lots of designs and maintenance is also very low. So friends, if you like this video then please subscribe to this channel, because here you will get the latest and modern interior tips and ideas for your living room, bedroom, kitchen, bathroom and for your house exterior. So friends, if you have any doubts you can ask me in the comment section, or if you want more details you can contact through my mail ID which I mentioned in the description. So thank you for watching. Thank you once again.